Hi, I'm Dale from DE Renovations. Today I'm going to be fitting the skirting boards in the final room of our home renovation project. I've been sent some skirting boards from This Is Wholesale, so I thought I'd show you the product and take you through fitting them. Let's get them unpacked. The skirting boards came very well packaged with cardboard wrapped on each corner to protect the skirting boards from any damage in transit. I picked the 100mm V-groove profile for the skirting boards on this project, and they came as a great finish, really smooth, good quality. So this is the room that's going to be skirted. I usually start from left and work my way around the room. Starting on the longest wall on the left hand side, I needed to cut a mitre joint to join two pieces together behind the radiator. Once I got the two pieces mitered together, it was time to stick to the wall. For the primary bond, I'm using Instastick PU foam. Then just firing a few pins to hold the board together whilst the foam cures. One thing that stood out to me whilst I was cutting the boards was the quality of the product. Even with a worn saw blade, I was still getting really tidy cuts with no wear out at all. On this room, I only needed to cut the external mitres. Given that the board's a square edge, the internal cuts could just be cut square and butted together nicely. I did, however, have to scribe a couple of the internal corners as some of the existing walls were not perfectly plumb. At this point, I've just methodically moved my way around the room, cutting, dry fitting and sticking the boards as I go. As I come to fit the last few pieces, I'd like to say a big thanks to This Is Wholesale for supplying the product from mdfwarehouse.com. I was generally impressed with the quality and they're really easy to work with. And there we have it, the last room to be skirtinged on this project. Really starting to come together now, seeing the final pieces go on.